Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 22nd, 2024, Part 2. This week's theme is picnics. My 4th of July by Jerry Spinelli, illustrated by Larry Day. Noise! I wake up, I rush to the front window. Parade, drums, cymbals, pinwheels, flags, tricycles. It's the best day of all, the 4th of July. I join the parade. Grown-ups laugh and wave. And point. I'm still in my pajamas. When I get back, Dad is fetching the wagon. Hooray! He's home all day. Mama is in the kitchen getting the picnic ready. The pie is in the oven. What kind? I ask her. You'll see, she says. She always says you'll see. The pie is always cherry crumb. Time to do my job? I ask. Mama hands me a shaker. Get to work, she says. I get to add the final touch, a sprinkle of paprika on the deviled eggs. Everything goes into the wagon. Hot dogs, hot dog rolls, mustard, chopped onions, relish, pickles. I look at the clock. I call to everybody, hurry! I'm in charge of hurrying. There are only 25 picnic tables at the park. We must not be late. The wagon is filling up. Peanut butter-filled celery boats, potato salad, napkins, tablecloth, red, white, and blue cupcakes. In goes the surprise in a white box. There's always a surprise. What is it? I ask. I always ask. You'll see, Mama always says. Paper cups, plastic forks. Are we ready? Wait, I shout. Don't forget the pie. I'm in charge of not forgetting. Finally, out the door. Mama hands me a banana. I'm so excited I forgot to eat breakfast. Down the street to the railroad tracks. Look, black cloud, thunder. Oh no, storm coming. Yahoo! It's a train rumbling round the bend. Flags flutter from the flanks of the great engine. We wave at the engineer. Down the path by the creek to the park. Hurry, hurry! I grab the pickle jar and run ahead. I plunk it on an empty table. It's ours! I can't wait. I beg for the surprise. Mama says, oh, okay, go ahead. I tear open the white box. Chocolate-covered strawberries, big as plums. Mom and Dad watch me. They can't stand it. They gobble their surprises too. For this one best day, the park is my backyard. Face painting, I'm a raccoon. Three-legged sack race, my friend Henry and I come in last. We're laughing too hard to care. Back to the table. Food, eat. We cook our hot dogs on the grill in the gazebo. We wait our turn. I like mine with black stripes. Talent show at the band shell. There's my neighbor Sally. She sings a song called Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I'm bogglepussed. Sally, my next door neighbor Sally, sings like an angel. Concert. At the gazebo, the Toodletown 10 plays zippy music. Little kids rush the stage of the gazebo to dance. Parents too. Here come Mom and Dad. Back at the band shell, the biggest flag I've ever seen is unrolling behind the stage. We stand for the Star-Spangled Banner. The whole park is silent and still. Back to the picnic table. Eat, eat. Noseball race. I win. Run to the zoo. Quack at the ducks. The goat makes me laugh. Monkey fingers reaching. More food. I'm becoming a potato, pickle, hot dog, cupcake pie. Slow down, Mama says, but she doesn't mean it. She's smiling. The shadows are getting long. The sun is in the trees. The best part of the day is coming. Fireworks. I eat the last deviled egg. We toss the trash and give away the pickles. All that's left for the wagon is the tablecloth. Hurry, I say. I'm in charge of getting a good place. We find one on the outfield slopes of the baseball field. Soon we're surrounded. I think everyone in town is here. 5,000 people, says Dad. Shadows creep across the field, all the way to me. Oh, the minutes crawl as I slide back in my wagon. It's the longest wait there ever is. A thump in the dark, sudden umbrella of lights, 5,000 faces aglow. Fireworks! Pinwheels and gushers, comets and twisters. My eyes cannot hold the wonders I see. My heart is cheering. A cannon booming volley. I hold my ears. I scream with joy. And it's over. Car lights flashing, smoke drifting from the baseball field. It smells like burnt toast. And once again, I feel something I haven't felt since the 3rd of July. I feel sleepy. The tablecloth becomes a pillow. Into the wagon I go. My own little train with Dad as engineer. Through the park, across the creek, down the path. I see nothing but stars. There are only stars and my wagon and me. I'm overfilled in every way. I have seen too much, run too long, been too happy. I close my eyes. I am in charge of sleeping. The end. We're gonna make some fireworks. So, what you need is your craft to go kit, which is this black piece of construction paper, or it might be cardboard actually. Not cardboard, cardstock. And your bag of glitter. And that's silver and gold in there. You can see both colors. It's all mixed together. You'll need some glue. I have clear glue, but remember that school glue does dry clear. And you'll need something to protect your surface. I have this little tray from the Dollar Tree. Doesn't quite fit in there, but it's good enough. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw some fireworks with the glue. So I'm going to make some that curve down. You know, the ones that do the little fountain showers in the sky. And I'm going to do one that goes all out. And maybe one that does a spiral. Then all I'm going to do is sprinkle my glitter on the glue. It runs out of your hands pretty easily, so make sure you get it all over the glue. Oops, there's the bell. We had someone talking in the background. Sorry about that, everyone. Okay. Some more glitter here. You should have more than enough glitter. You might even be able to do a whole second one. Let that sit on there for a minute. And then I'm just going to shake it off. And this is what's left. Fireworks. And once the glue's dry, we can shake it better and get the rest of the glitter off. And that's all there is to it.